Amber Heard or Amber Heard. I honestly, I can't tell which is which anymore, but obviously, if you guys don't know, today we're gonna be talking about the courtroom of the century. Basically, today we're gonna be talking about Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, two multi-millionaires in court together. Now, obviously, this is one of those cases where it's like, oh, he hit me, but at the same time, Johnny didn't hit me, but he definitely did hit me.
I did not hit her.
And it's just like all over the place, and honestly, it makes absolutely no sense. And you know, as more evidence comes up, the more jokes this is, and so many people got a part of this case that it got to the point where Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter, is a part of it now, which is kind of goofy. But you know what? We're gonna do the best moments of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp court case. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and let's just get straight into this.
As a color correction kit, this is not obviously the exact one I used to carry, but I used to carry with me all the time. Sometimes this pink is sometimes a little bit more purple of a hue, and sometimes the kits are 3 colors. You can get them in 3 or 4 colors. Sometimes they have even more, but the idea is that you want to count whatever color you're working with on the bruise. So the first day of bruising, well, the immediate is red. Red is what shows up right away. So
is she promoting
go with the opposite
her
color by
promoting product
green or something to counteract the red. After a day or 2, you get more purple in the bruise. So
this is still happening.
Go with more of the
oh my goodness.
Day 2.
This pen literally killed someone, but I got it for $19.99 at the store below me. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to get one of these pens to kill people in game. How do you just promote like midway through a court case? Yeah, you can tell they're guilty from how much they're doing right now. Yeah, honestly, I guess you could really tell the vibe if you guys were watching the court case live. There were 2 very different vibes. Like Johnny's was like, you know, entering in the courtroom being like, oh, what's going on, guys? How's it going? Party? Like, yeah. And then Amber's like, we're doing something wrong here. Johnny knows something. We know something. Johnny Depp's testimony of Amber Heard pooping in his bed. Poop emoji. That... Can the internet get any more interesting? I don't get it. I really don't get the internet. Honestly, I don't get it. I really don't get it.
And he showed me a photograph on his telephone of
objection, Your Honor. Also hearsay.
It's a photograph, Your Honor.
This lawyer objects to anything.
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
it was a photograph of the bed, our bed.
Okay.
And on my side of the bed,
Yeah. Say it, Johnny.
was human fecal matter.
Poop. Human fecal matter.
My initial response to that was
The most professional way to say poop in a courtroom, ladies and gentlemen. It's not saying feces. It's not saying, you know, a poop or shit. It's literally saying human fecal matter. Come on, dude. That's so weird, bro. Like, what?
I mean, I laughed.
Obviously, you would laugh. It's poop.
It was so outside. It was so bizarre.
Obviously, it was bizarre. I'm sorry. If you're able to literally just squat and just take a big one, like out of the toilet, you weren't raised properly. My parents rose me, so I poop in the toilet, not anywhere outside the toilet. And you guys know how hard it is to actually like literally like grab yourself and like literally poop like anywhere but a toilet. Forcing yourself to do that is actually mission impossible. So she must have spent a lot of time actually doing that. Honestly, I'm impressed. You know what? Woman of the year. Woman of the year. I respect that. I respect it.
Objection calls for hearsay.
Let me ask you a different question, Mr. Depp.
Yes. Let's let him object to another one. He'd had a conversation with Ms. Heard.
He's just waiting for the objection. And he says hearsay. Predicted.
He said, yes, they had.
Oh, that's just...
And Ms. Heard had told
Hearsay, Your Honor.
Hearsay. Hearsay. Hearsay.
For him to quote. That's hearsay, I guess.
That's hearsay, I guess. Oh my goodness.
Read it out of someone's article, but not from the man's mouth.
I think it's a pretty simple yes or no question, which is
You'd like
other
it to be, sir.
others-
Nothing simple. October is 2 months before December. That's correct.
this was a document that you signed as part of your divorce proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed, yeah.
Okay. Mr. Depp, that is your signature on the right, correct?
You already asked that.
Yes, it is.
This is a document you signed.
Oh my god.
For the third time, that is my signature, yes.
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016. Correct?
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes, that's the fourth.
I wanted to make clear that you signed
You made it clear.
that in the summer of 2016.
Amber Heard basically literally hired Ludwig and Pokimane to basically be their lawyers. It's pretty obvious at this point. They have no idea what they're talking about 20% of the time. Or sorry, 100% of the time. I'm sorry. What? Okay, and that's not even the worst part. Apparently, she's been caught with like having 2 bottles at court, and many people was like, oh, like she's super thirsty. Apparently, she was drinking alcohol, and here's why. Apparently, in this clip, she's talking to lawyers. She picked up her bottles and stuff, and then you see that silver bottle right there. The silver bottle apparently is something suspicious. She goes to open it, but as more people are coming by and a cop comes by, she shoves it in her pocket like there is no tomorrow. What does this mean? It means she was probably drinking in court. It's kind of disgusting to think that, but I don't know. At this point, this girl has been all over the place. You never know. You never know. Now, you guys probably thought like, this is like it. Like, it doesn't get worse than this for Amber Heard. Well, if you guys don't know, Amber Heard was basically going to be in a movie. If you guys don't know what movie it is, it's Aquaman 2. If you guys don't know what Aquaman is, don't worry, he's not really a relevant superhero. No offense, I'm just not a fan of Aquaman. But knowing this court case was going on, this is what Aquaman himself, the actor Aquaman, which is what's his name? Joe Momoa, basically reacted to it saying this.
From your deposition, day 2.
Come on,
Five,
prove that she
12,
is
page
lying,
12,
because she
lines
is
11 through
turd.
15. You said he hit you and he was wearing rings, right, Ms. Heard? So he hit you with rings on every finger?
I don't know if I've ever known Johnny to not wear rings.
Yeah.
To the point where actually, funny enough, they made a meme on this too.
Did you know in Aquaman, Amber Heard never used a stunt double? This is because she already had practice hitting men in real life.
Jesus, man. I don't know what to say to this. Honestly, Amber, like, at this point, just end the case. You lost the case. It's obvious. You're making a meme of yourself. But other than that, guys, that is basically it for the end of the video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Honestly, just tell me what you guys think of this court case. I think it's hilarious. I think it's funny, and things just get worse to worse to worse to worse to the point where it's just a meme. But like I always say, fall for more embarrassing stories and also more videos like this. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. All right, peace out, guys.